high tank losses during the Middle East War in 1973. 50% of the tank fleet was destroyed within 1 week, and during the Siege of Grozny, as well as insignificant losses of allies in the Persian Gulf War, only 18 tanks in total, are atypical examples. The problem of protecting tanks from the damaging effects of nuclear weapons should be addressed as part of general measures to protect against conventional means of destruction. Placing the tank crew in a capsule will significantly reduce the level of penetrating radiation in the event of nuclear explosion and the effect of the shock wave without increasing the tank's weight and internal volume.